Okay, I found my stitch marker. Here we go. Let's mark my stitch and then count. So that last stitch, you'll see there's a V on the top. I like to go ahead and just immediately put a stitch marker there. Even if I'm going to turn and work into the spot right away again, it just helps me. If something would come up and you'd have to walk away and set this down, you come back, you're new to crocheting, and then you pick it up and go, where am I supposed to go with what again? Maybe everything kind of blends. So it's just helpful as you're learning. So we're going to count stitches. You can do this a couple of ways. When you make your single crochet, you can see the body of the stitch makes a V shape right there. You can see it real clearly. But the top also makes a V shape. So you can count either way. You can count all across the top, or you can count what you see as the body of the stitches, which sometimes is a little harder to see, especially when we're actually working a little tighter. See down here, they hide a little bit. So we're going to count the top. So we're just counting the V stitches. Here's the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is 10 single crochet when we finish the row. Then the directions tell us we need to turn our work to work row 2. And we're going to turn counterclockwise. So we're like this. Counterclockwise means we're rotating like this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.